There's a 1 plus.
Yeah, because there's
Oh,
less
I
cards
win.
in this. You finally won. That took a little bit. Good job. This was, I don't even know. This is part of the pile, too.
Go.
I usually win at this game, but
I have luck. You don't.
but I might not. You go first, because I dealt. No, I don't want to listen to music.
Just listen.
Well, that music.
You
You got your leg in the video. Oops. Oh well. Just your leg. They can't see the rest of you. Come on, it's your turn. You're just like sitting there.
Come on.
It's gonna be boring. I'm not taking this turn. So this portion of it for the video is gonna be boring. No, you're not taking your turn. Let's go. Sorry, it's messy there, by the way. Look, somebody would have that up. Look at that. Oh, the 8's there too. 8, 9, 10, Jack. Somebody could have won. The next card I picked up was literally the Queen. Like, what the heck? Look how close I am to winning. But with my luck, I won't win. Well, I usually am good at this game. I usually win, but sometimes with my luck, I'd end up losing. I just need one more card of either this side or that side. Hopefully I win. He's apparently about to win too. He has better luck than I do, so he might win, which sucks. And by he, I mean my brother, by the way. I just told him he's gonna be mad. King, Queen, Jack, 10, 3, 4, 5. These diamonds. 3, 5. You got Ace, 2, 3, 4. Ace, 3, 5. What were you trying to do here?
Ace 2, 3.
Oh, okay, because you
I had a
need
6.
that.
I had a 6, but I could have done 7.
You're being loud.
I
so
could
you
have done
know.
7.
No, you have an earphone in, but you're being loud.
No, I only have one in.
You were like
I know
yelling.
I'm loud.
But you were close too. You just needed 2. Yeah, you just needed 2. But I won. We can play another round though.
No, I need 1.
You just needed. No, you have Ace. You just needed 2. You need one more card. But I was saying you needed a 2. Okay, we'll play another round. Let's see who wins. I said in the vlog I was editing today that the next video was gonna be might be a question video. But I started vlogging, so it might end up being. Like, I know I said that, but it might end up being a vlog for the next one. Because I'm doing a vlog right now. And I don't know if I want to go, like, out of order. Because I could wait. I could, like, put a question out and, like, put this out a couple days after that. But I'd like to go in order, but I also don't want to keep putting a few vlogs out in a row. Oh, shit. What am I doing? We'll see what I choose, though. But sorry if it's another vlog in a row. Alright, okay, so I made a video saying that I was explaining something. As I explained, I won. And it wouldn't save, but I accidentally swiped out of it, so I'm recording it, but I won the second game, too. He was trying to say he won, but he didn't. He cheated. He was, well, not cheated, he lied. He was playing around. But I won. Thankfully. I won by picking up 4 of diamonds. And then I actually had 9, 10, Jack, Queen, King, and hearts. I know I didn't need all that, but I had all that. And then I picked up the 4 and realized I think I said, like, I'm sorry, I won. Yeah, that's what I said. I'm not sure what he's doing now.
Organizing it.
Organizing how? It's raining again. Well, it's good because, like, it's been a heat wave the last few days. But watch, it'll be hot again tomorrow, maybe even later today, because the state I live in, it likes to change weather daily. It could be like 80 degrees one day during the week, and then be snowing. But also could, like, for day wise, it could be pouring down rain, and in a few hours from now, it could be so hot that you're like, I don't want to say dying, but that you like can't stand it. I can't see the rain as good as you could see over there, but I got to get to show you. And I might. Ooh, I hope I got that on camera. I watched the video. I didn't get that lightning on camera, and I think it was angled at it, but the camera just didn't catch the lighting of that lightning. But it was like crazy. I couldn't even show the rain over there anyways. I was going to, but you just see too much of the house. Like it's zoomed in on it. Like it's too much of other people's house. I'm getting wet now. You know how hard it is in the wind. Which is fine with me. It feels kind of nice. Little sprinkles of water on me. Couple of my vlogs I have it right now. I'm not even sure. Sorry, I'm yawning. I'm not even sure I'm gonna even put it in this week's vlog. I just decided to start filming. Gotta love it. I love rain. So I actually do. But it does bring quite a bit. But at least I'm not in Seattle, Washington. It's like always raining there. I hope you guys love rain too. If not, these are probably really annoying for you. I was saying I hope you like rain, but I got cut off. Anyways, bye again. I love this. Hopefully y'all can enjoy listening to this. Just chilling on the porch. You see that? In the gutter or whatever. You can't see it. At least not as good as it looks in real life. You can see the rain like it's even like stronger off camera. You can see it better with me zooming in. The wind. Look at that leaf. Go through there. There's not more. Look at all those leaves. There's more coming. There's even in the woods there. Can you guys see that? Look at all the leaves coming down. It's pretty cool. I know you might think it's like dumb or whatever, you don't care. The like way it's flowing, I knew I was gonna get cut off, but I was just saying the way it's flowing, it's like the feather in look, that's still there. You'd know if you watch one of my other vlogs. But I wasn't even intentionally doing that. So I did get to the point before I get cut off again. But it's like in Forrest Gump, you know, the leaf that like flows around. And if you haven't, you should watch. If you don't know what I'm talking about, you should watch Forrest Gump. Like the leaf flowing in the sky. Yeah. The rain's getting lighter. Like it's so like loud, but you can tell the rain's lighter. Still see it hitting the ground. Okay, bye again. Maybe. Like maybe for real this time, I mean. Who knows? We'll see. The breeze feels so nice though. It's a nice breeze. I like it. The rain got harder again. You can't even see the rain in that, you can just see the sky. I look so dumb. I'm gonna flip this camera and show y'all. Look at the wind. Like, you can't look at the wind, but I mean the trees, obviously. I wish I could show you over there, but I can't because there's people's houses over there, and I can't show houses. Like, for mine and their purpose. It's kind of chilly. Might put a hoodie, go get my hoodie. God. Not too bad, but I am getting wet. Look at that. Oh. I just go over there. I'm pretty sure my neighbors, well, definitely my neighbors. I remember my next neighbor, but sorry, I got cut off. I was saying it might be one of my neighbors' names. Like my neighbor's neighbors, like my neighbors. There's next door neighbors, and then there's the neighbors on your street. Okay, I'm gonna go and get a hoodie. This is like crazy, and I'm getting wet. There's wires over there. Hope they're gonna be okay. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna go get my hoodie. Okay, I got my hoodie. I'm good. It, like, hood down a bit, but it's not gonna. Also, ignore the cobwebs. Just haven't gotten them to them yet. Gotten them down. But they will. They're just cobwebs, though. We live by the woods, so quite a bit of spiders. Live next to a woodsy area. Not the woods. I don't know. A woodsy area. I don't know how it is. I really hope I don't film all this, though, and then I don't end up putting it in the vlog. Oh, it's starting to pick up again. Do I really need to clean that? Hopefully you guys can't tell what this says. A sticker. I really hope y'all can't tell. Mixing and shaking together the last bottle. I should have literally just put it all over my face, because even though I put some on, I only put it through here and I got it because I had my hair on the sides of me, and then I like, because I wasn't like looking in the mirror or my phone or anything while I was doing most of my hair, so I ended up getting over. Oh, that came off pretty easily. Hopefully all of it does. But anyways, I gotta leave this on for 30 to 45 minutes. It's already been like at least 5 minutes, so it's about 40 minutes till I do. It's bad. It always gets bad. I don't know if it usually gets this bad. Anyways, I'll show you guys after I rinse it out. I look so weird with the hair up. It doesn't look good. I gotta get down here too. Hopefully when you see me again, all this black is off me. Well, it's actually brown, but you know. But the back of my neck has it bad too. I'll put a picture if I can get one. Neck's not as bad actually as it could have been. You can see it's brown. Okay, I'll show you when it's rinsed out. At least the parts that had the Vaseline on that worked. Okay, a lot of it is gone now. That part didn't have Vaseline on it. Either did this or this, or the couple spots got down, or there, and I got some on my arms. I'll show the other one. Look at that. Yeah. Okay. See. It is now time to rinse it out. I'm gonna show my it down before I rinse it out. I have time, so it doesn't look good. I know it looks weird. It looks better when it's rinsed out and when it's dry. I really hope it dyed up here. It looks like me. No, never mind. It's just on the camera. In the mirror, it looks fine, I guess. I'll see y'all soon. Okay, it's all rinsed out now. I'll show you guys in a few minutes dry. And I think I'm gonna blow dry it. I know that's not good for your hair, but I think I'm going to because it's already almost 11 at night. And I need to get this done. Forgot to add also, because I was going to, because I realized I forgot, but that I also had a few inches cut off my hair too before I did, because my dead ends are bad. They're still bad, but I don't want them as short as they need to be shortened. But yeah. Alright, here's my hair. Basically dry. That's it for this video. Have a great day and or night. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and remember to be kind to yourselves and others. See you next video.